have with us today a hardworking, self-motivated and creative personality, Miss Barisha Singh. She is the co-founder at TEDx TV, a vivid content creator and podcaster. We would love to hear your story, ma'am. Please come on stage. Everybody, please give her a big round of applause.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone, I am Barisha and for the jury, this is going to be my prop for the day. And वैसे तो इतनी लाइफ मैंने जी नहीं है, छोटी सी हूँ मैं अभी, बट आई ऑनेस्टली फील कि लाइफ जो है वो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं करती है. आप कितने छोटे हो, आप कितने ही बड़े हो, एवरी मोमेंट लाइफ इज़ ट्राइंग टू टीच यू समथिंग एंड इट कीप्स ऑन गोइंग ऑन टिल you learn your lessons. So the topic that I've chosen today is my life story. I'm going to share a journey, and why I've chosen this mic as a prop is because the journey is going to tell you how this came into my hands and how I got the confidence of coming here, standing in front of so many people and speaking out my mind loud. Okay. So I'll take you all back to a little girl in Amritsar with not so little dreams, let me tell you that, and a very introvert, very shy girl. आज जितने भी बच्चों ने यहाँ परफॉर्म किया है उसके लिए तो ये नाइटमेयर हो जाता, honestly speaking. And her mom would literally conspire with the school teachers, कह रहे push her, tell her to go in the assembly, tell her to speak on the stage, do this, do that. But she did not had that, confidence. She did not even had that urge, I would say. She would love doing just one thing. That was कि games period मिले, recess मिले, free time मिले, run to the ground. And those trails that airplanes leave behind in the sky, just look up, follow those trails. When that dream became her passion, became her life, she didn't even realize that. Soon that little girl grew up a little more, I would say. And, that's the time when you have to decide, when elders start asking you, कि अरे बड़े होके क्या बनोगे? कितने बच्चों ने ये question सुन चुके हैं अभी तक? बड़े होके क्या बनोगे? That was the time when I started getting that question, and I don't even remember कि मेरे मन में या मेरे दिमाग में वो आंसर कहाँ से आया, but I always had this answer that I want to become a pilot. I want to go fly. I'm not meant for the land, I'm just meant for the sky, okay? And I started living that dream 24/7. I made maths my favorite subject. I did not like it at all before that, but I, tried to love it. I made it my favorite subject. I started to eat healthy because I had to lose weight, maintain myself medically. I did everything possible that was required for me, जिससे मैं अपने सपने के पास पहुंच सकूं, जिससे मैं उड़ सकूं, जिससे कि मैं पायलट बन सकूं. एंड ऑनेस्टली कोई भी जर्नी ईजी नहीं होती है, बहुत सारे ऑब्स्टेकल्स आते हैं, बहुत सारे हिंडरेंसेस आते हैं, और जैसी सोसाइटी में हम रहते हैं ऑनेस्टली बहुत सारे ओपिनियंस भी आते हैं कि अरे लड़की है, देन इतने फाइनेंसेस हैं, मार्केट में रिसेशन है, इंडस्ट्री ऐसी है, ऑल ऑफ दैट. इट टुक मी टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इवन आफ्टर ऑल दोज ओपिनियंस, इवन आफ्टर ऑल दोज ऑब्स्टेकल्स, दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू. I wanted to fly, and luckily I had a family who was supportive. Soon I came to grade 12th and I started my countdown कि अब तो मेरे और उस यूनिफॉर्म में सिर्फ एक और साल बचा है, बस उसके बाद तो लाइफ सेट है. बाकी बच्चे कन्फ्यूजन में है, लेकिन मैं तो सॉर्ट हूँ. I am gonna fulfill my dream. So I started working hard, aimed for scholarships. I used to wake up at 6 every day in the morning, study till night, इतना percentage लाना है, सब करना है, typical board motivation, parents का भी, खुद का भी. When suddenly, one fine day, beautiful morning, chirping birds, and I could not wake up. I could not wake up till noon. And the first instinct is कि maybe थकावट हो गई है, exhaustion है. But then gradually that one day became 3 months. 3 long months I was suffering from constantly high fever. I had no energy. I could not study. I could not, possibly do anything for those 3 months. And the doctors were unable to diagnose कि problem कहाँ पे आ रही है. After 3 months, we got to know that I had got pulmonary tuberculosis. For those who don't know, it's TB. हम normal भाषा में उसे TB बोलते हैं, lungs का TB. And it takes around 6 to 9 months. डरने वाली कोई बात नहीं होती है. It's a normal disease. 6 से 9 महीने के अंदर वो ठीक भी हो जाता है. बट मेरे लिए ना उस टाइम वो डिजीज़ पेनफुल नहीं था. मेरे लिए पेनफुल ये था कि मैं अपने सपने के इतने पास आके पीछे रह गई, बिकॉज आई कुडंट क्लियर माई मेडिकल्स फॉर एविएशन. ओके, टू जस्ट इलेबोरेट ऑन द फीलिंग, इमेजिन वर्ल्ड कप चल रहा है, इंडिया की बैटिंग है, धोनी ने बल्ला घुमाया हो और छक्का लगते लगते आउट हो जाए. दैट वॉज द फीलिंग दैट आई हैड इन माई लाइफ एट दैट पॉइंट. आई वॉज शैटर्ड ऑनेस्टली. मैं वो बच्ची थी जो सबसे शॉर्ट थी, कोई बैकअप प्लान नहीं, कोई प्लान बी नहीं. आई न्यू व्हाट आई हैड टू डू एंड सडनली इट वॉज टेकन अवे फ्रॉम मी. Anyways, my mom, being the biggest supporter in my life that I had, she was like, don't worry, we'll get fine. And just to add on a fact, sometimes what happens is TB leaves a scar on your lungs, just like कोई भी चोट कई बार आपकी स्किन पे एक स्कार छोड़ देती है, वैसे ही TB भी कर देता है. So doctors were like, अभी हम नहीं बता सकते कि ये कभी पायलट बन भी पाएगी या नहीं, if it leaves a scar. I was like, okay, fine. I was just hoping that, something like this doesn't happen. And my mom encouraged me. She's like, you don't worry. You go for your normal graduation. You join my business. We'll figure out everything. It took me some time to, adapt to that sudden incident that had happened in my life. But eventually I started engaging in activities. And उस time, क्योंकि मैंने कहीं और तो apply किया नहीं था colleges में, just one college was accepting applications. I applied there and I was lucky enough that I got there. You're like, ठीक है, जाओ 1 साल पढ़ाई करो, तब तक ठीक हो जाओगे, 9 months का medication हो जाएगा, and then we'll get back to aviation. I was like, cool. Honestly, I don't know if वो लालच था जो मेरी मम्मी ने दिया था मुझे, because she knew that I'll be enjoying what I'm doing there. But I was convinced at that point. I went to that college. I went in Mumbai, and there I started getting opportunities because thoda bahut mama ke business mein I had learned, content creation, digital marketing, and a little bit of, creating these videos and stuff like that. There I started getting more and more opportunities that, you write good, you do this, you come and, you maybe give this presentation and things like that. And then one competition came जिसमें हमें पोइट्री बोलना था. ओके, सो आई रोट वन पोइट्री एंड ऑनेस्टली उसके पीछे भी इट वॉज माई मॉम. शी वाज लाइक, अरे तू एक काम कर, बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ हैं, क्या इसको पोस्ट बनाएगी, यू राइट डाउन अ पोइट्री. एंड आई वाज लाइक, आई एम नॉट अ राइटर. आई नेवर थॉट दैट आई एम अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन. आई वॉज ऑलवेज लाइक, आई एम गुड विद लॉजिक, आई एम गुड विद स्टडीज, लेट मी डू समथिंग academically only. She's like, okay, fine, your call. And next day she goes on a meeting. I sat down with my notebook and within half an hour I wrote a poetry. एंड देन मैं मुझे लाइक, अब लिख ही लिए तो एक काम कर, रिकॉर्ड भी कर ले. आधे घंटे में रिकॉर्ड भी हो गया. लाइक, ये तो बड़ा मज़ेदार काम है यार. आधे घंटे में लिखो, आधे घंटे में रिकॉर्ड करो, एप्रिसिएशन भी बढ़िया है, कंटेंट भी बढ़िया है, करियर स्कोप भी बढ़िया है. So I started doing that more often and getting encouragement, getting appreciation. Obviously, it's I think the biggest motivator that anyone can have when you get appreciated for your work. So, cut from that to just 2-3 months back, I got a call. I was in a family function and I got a call from someone from my college only, and they're like, are you available on this date? I was like, it's a little bit tough, but करना क्या है आप ये बताओ. कहते एक इवेंट है, वो होस्ट करना है. मैंने कहा, अरे मतलब बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होस्ट किए हैं कॉलेज में, तो आई वॉजंट दैट एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट. आई वाज लाइक, ठीक है, हो पाएगा तो कर लूँगी. लाइक, नो, यू हैव टू डू, इट्स एन इवेंट विद सोनू निगम. एंड आई वॉज लाइक, ओके, ये तो मैं मिस नहीं कर रही हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू डू इट. असाइनमेंट सब मैनेज हो जाएगा. ठीक है जी. सो विद इन 48 hours आई ट्रैवल्ड फ्रॉम अमृतसर टू मुंबई एयरपोर्ट टू करजत. And I gave my final assignment. That day only I had my submission. I gave my final assignment. Again, next day I traveled from Karjat back to Mumbai where that event location was. I did not prepare anything because I didn't have time to do so. No scripting, no nothing. And I was just sent on the stage that, okay, you go host. And I had 50 press cameras in front of me. I couldn't say a single word wrong. I had Mr. Sonu Nigam with me on the stage. And that was a moment which literally made me feel that I did this. Oh my God. I remember getting backstage after the event and literally texting my friend कि मुझे बस तुझे पकड़ के कूदना है, because I couldn't control my excitement and the overwhelming feeling. So, from all this journey, there are multiple learnings that I would actually like to bring forth here. एक ये कि पायलट बनने का सपना मेरा अभी भी है. It's just that I वेलकम्ड अनदर डायरेक्शन इन माई लाइफ जो मैंने कभी नहीं सोची थी कि मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ या मेरा स्किल सेट इसमें भी हो सकता है. Sometimes we restrict ourselves to the planning a lot, right? It's good to plan, it's good to have a goal, it's good to work hard for your dreams, but it's equally important to be open for life. Let the universe show you its magic and give you what is meant to be yours. That's the one thing. And second thing, ये कभी मत सोचना कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकता या मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, because I am telling you कि तुम कर सकते हो. You just have to, go in that direction a little bit, and trust me, even you will be surprised at what you can do. So that was my journey for today, and I hope you take back something from this speech. Thank you so much.